Health tips/hack for working people. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Health tips/hack for working people. So make sure to watch the full video. You are a busy person. So I'm going to get down to business and simplify a lot of health information into little pieces that contain a lot of energy. You want more energy to be more productive in your business and get more done in less time. Or are you looking for quality information to help your team get back to work after working from home during the COVID-19 pandemic? No time to experiment with what works and what doesn't. You want results you can see, and you want them fast. Health begins with a balance between the 4 key elements of sleep, nutrition, exercise, and mental health. All of these are important to reliably maintain optimal health. Like the dining table, it is ideal that the 4 pillars are well established to establish a solid foundation for health. Digestion is the top of the table, where each support or leg of the table is interconnected and interacts with each other. At the top of this table are also medical conditions and lifestyle factors, which all work together to create your current health level. Like a table, something with 4 legs is ideal for stable footing. When these 4 pillars are out of balance, everything starts to shake a bit. I'm sure you were sitting at a not very stable table. How to fix it? Fold a few coasters or napkins and tuck them under the short table legs. Wet wipes will work for a while, but this is only a short-term solution. The same goes for health. This is the time to develop new healthy habits, whether it be going on a strict diet or meditating for a few weeks. These are short-term temporary solutions. What happens when you're under stress and your table legs become more out of balance or move? You may have seen tables with 3 legs mounted as tripods. It can be quite sturdy, but it lacks the balance and structure of a 4-legged table. I'm less forgiving when something happens because of a change in one leg. This scenario occurs when aspects of your life are out of balance. After all, you are a busy professional. There are many balls in the air and little room for error. I know you have a huge workload, and even if you like what you do, busy equals stress. You probably won't get enough sleep, prepare healthy meals, or have time to exercise. I understand. So, the healthy foundation is already slightly shaken and there are no other health problems. What about digestion or other lifestyle and health factors? Many things can get in the way between you and your optimal health. What are you going to do about it? Before you begin, please understand that the information contained in this article should not be taken as medical advice. You should check with your doctor before making any changes to make sure they are safe and appropriate. How is your sleep? Sleep is one of those things many of us don't appreciate until it's gone. I had never valued sleep before and believed that I could function well with just 4 hours of sleep each night. That is until my world collapsed. I ended up sleeping so badly that at the worst of times, I only slept for 2 or 3 hours each night. I was so sleep deprived that I thought I was going crazy. I was moody, irrational, and not very productive. Not an ideal location for this. I thought it was okay to sleep less, and I used to brag about getting very little sleep. Unfortunately, we think or feel that we can do better with less sleep, but in reality, we are so adrenaline pumped that we don't realize how sleep deprived we are. The problem with assessing our level of functioning is that we don't know our level of cognitive impairment. We quickly adapt to this loss of sleep, but we are far from functioning at optimal levels. It's like a functional alcoholic. Aside from sleep deprivation, you're a sleep-deprived alcoholic who walks around thinking you're fine when things go wrong. I can personally verify this from my own experience. Consistency is the secret to good sleep. The longer you've had sleep problems, the longer it will take to fix them. There is no magic cure that can fix your sleep overnight, but we can help you apply some hacks that will help you sleep better with less effort. I'm glad I took the time to wake up feeling rested, energized, and capable of doing more with less effort. So how does sleep work? 2 processes cause sleep. The first process is called the sleep drive and is an internal signal that screams go to sleep. My eyelids droop, my head shakes, and I fall asleep in front of the TV. This drive is minimized first thing in the morning, accumulates throughout the day, and eases or subsides during sleep. Other processes are more rhythmic. This main conductor of the brain, or biological clock, responds to environmental cues such as exposure to sunlight or bright light. This process tells the body, hey, it's light outside, it's time to get up, or it's been dark for a while, so I need to go to bed. Unfortunately, we interfere with these 2 processes and our body confuses the signals. You spend long hours at work under bright lights and are constantly connected to your smartphone and laptop, signaling to your brain that it's time to wake up. What about exercise? Someone loves sports, someone hates them. We all must. After age 30, everyone naturally loses muscle mass, bone density, and balance. This makes it even more important for all of us to actively build bone and muscle mass. Exercise can help prevent or delay these natural changes and help keep you in top shape so you can do the things you love. By getting stronger, you can maintain better posture and prevent chronic or overuse injuries that often result from poor mechanics. You can include a variety of exercises in your program. It includes components of the cardiovascular system, endurance, agility, flexibility, strength, and balance. Too often I see people go crazy for cardio and burn out if they do too much high-intensity cardio. Keep your body strong by balancing and weight training. Women often worry about bulking up from weight training, which rarely happens. Other components are important to create a good balance. Stay focused and make the most of it by changing your routine every 4 to 6 weeks or more. Often those who think shopping, housework, and laundry are sports will also call. This is an activity, not a workout. It's important to participate in daily activities, but they do not give you the same benefits as exercise. Why it's important? There are so many really amazing reasons why you should exercise that I can't list them all here for you. I've summed up the best ones that directly apply to you. Increased alertness, focus, and concentration. Improved mood/sense of well-being. Reduction in sick days. For you busy entrepreneurs, this is a good thing. Reduction in stress/anxiety/depression. As effective as antidepressants without the weight gain. Decreased fat mass, increased muscle mass. This keeps your metabolism higher, helping you to be leaner with less effort. Balance your blood sugar and blood pressure and increase your good cholesterol. Reduction in chronic diseases. Improved joint stability, balance, coordination. The current recommendations suggest getting 150 minutes of exercise per week. There are many times when you want to do something else. It doesn't have to be as painful as it sounds, and you can get started with less time building healthy habits. I encourage my clients to start with at least 5 minutes a day and increase as they become tolerable. How is your mental health? I have found that mental health problems such as depression and anxiety seem to be related to 5 major components of mental health. By addressing these key components, we have been able to positively impact the lives of many people and improve their well-being, without using prescription drugs that have many side effects. These 5 main areas include people, pleasure, pauses, purpose, and positive self-talk. People contribute to relationships and other interactions that help maintain balance and balance. They provide intimacy and physical contact, essential psychological needs. Pleasure is the component of fun, enjoyment, and fulfillment that brings balance to life throughout the day. A pause is a break, downtime, interruption, or interval conducive to reboot, recovery, or rest. Goals can relate to higher life goals or life purpose or give you an idea of what your day is worth. Positive self-talk can help you build confidence, self-esteem, and resilience by keeping your thoughts in check. Why is it important? Your body has a stress response system that helps you cope with whatever life throws at you. It's a fight or flight system that releases hormones that help you rest and digest food or run away from a lion trying to prepare your dinner. Your body can't tell the difference between eustress, the good stress you love, and distress, the bad stress that makes you stress. If you don't give your body a break from stress, which is often the case, you can start to burn out. Symptoms include anxiety, memory loss, behavioral changes, insomnia, headaches, irritability, food cravings, weight gain/loss, and fatigue. Are sounds familiar? So how do I edit this photo? What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go.